Hello YouTube, hello everyone, nice to see you again. Last time we have got some data from API provider, so it would be great if we can save the data in our own database. Thereby we don't need to ask remote server each time, but we could collect data from our server. In order to do that, we need a local database server, but we don't have one yet. There are plenty of different options to set up a server for PHP applications, such as virtual machines and Docker, but I'm old enough to remember xampp local PHP development environment, and you can teach an old dog new tricks. Just kidding, I'm going to make a separate video about Docker, maybe a full playlist about Docker. There are many topics for video in that area, but today we are making a simple web service. We don't need CI/CD, VPS hosting and so on. We are gonna use XAMPP and Laravel on our local computer, and then we will upload the project on shared hosting. Okay, open a website apachefriends.org, download and install XAMPP for Windows. It is installed on my computer already, so I will not reinstall it, but it is as simple as, it is very simple. Open XAMPP control panel and run Apache and MySQL server. Do you remember we used to start an artisan serve command in order to look at our website in a browser? Now we want to use whole server for that. Apache server is installed, but we need to make a virtual host for our website. Open a catalog where XAMPP is installed and open a file httpd vhosts.conf. This is a configuration file for virtual hosts. The point is that we can configure as many web names as we want to, but we don't need to buy a domain name for everyone. There is an example, so copy it and change routes to our Laravel catalog. There is another thing we have to do. Edit a hosts file. Here we need to add our domain name and link it with local IP address. Like that. Okay, restart Apache server in control panel and try to open our application. Yes, it works fine. Perfect. Let's make the Laravel know about new database server. Open an env file. There are settings for database. So all we need to do is to correct settings for XAMPP MySQL server, like DB database is currency. And as far as we don't have a particular database user and password, keep it as it is. We will correct it next time. Let's end this video for today. We are ready to create a database for our Laravel application and store data from API into it. We will do this next time. Thanks for joining me, have a good day. Please subscribe to the channel and see you.